What is Eloquent ORM in Laravel and how it does simplify database interaction. The database in an easy way using PHP objects instead of writing long codes po. And number two, how does Ra- Laravel handle HTTP requests and define the routes? Um, like works like a guide that directs the nagdedirekta po siya sa URL to write function po. And number three, explain the rule of blade templating engine in Laravel. Sir, dito po tumutulong yung PHP and HTML na mapunta po sa isang lugar po. Yung nagko-combine po sila. Then, what are the security features provided by Laravel? Yung security, from the word security po, ang pinoprotect po, it protects the website from attacks like hacking po and yung password stealing po. Number 5, how does Laravel support task scheduling? Um, ito po yung kan po. Nagkakan po siya automatically nagra-run po sa time na sinag nyo po. Like parang reminder like that.